Pas toi comme moi, me chercher là.
Wait, I'm gonna call you back. All right? Take care.
How
How you doing, sir? Can I help you? I'm not understanding what you're saying. Can you speak English, please?
You remember the tax you filed for me?
Uh-huh.
You told me I'm gonna make 500.
What's your name?
Pastor Joe Filemo. They were langue. Well, they were langue. And then they come tax up manger too.
Let me check that. Give me a second, okay?
You know, tu plus comme tax mais et on t'a parlé quoi là même on a combien comme tax moi parler avec là même.
Just calm down.
Okay. Non,你ça me pas comme dans nous.
The company said your tax will come $500. It's $500. It's not $2,000. It's $500.
On a descendu. On descend comme tax ça.
This is what they said to
Non,
you.
quand tu parles de là, plein tax là dans moi, ouais ça nous là. Et pour dire ça, le créole, tu parles avec moi, ça en créole.
Sir,
mais non, c'est pas
I
ça.
never spoke Creole with you, okay?
Oh yeah? Quand on a ça fait,
When you come in here, I spoke English with you.
non, pas dire ça, c'est créole de parler. Anglais pas même bon faire ça d'Haïti comme ça parler là. Quand on a
I'm not even understanding what you're saying.
You cannot understand.
Properly.
No, yes, now you not understand. Now you not understand. You not understand, right?
Just
no,
speak properly.
You not understand.
Why would you come in here like this?
Understand, okay?
Oh, would you come in here
Then
like
you
this?
contact some fella, okay?